Daddy,
and
Kittens!
So here we have brain. Here we have lungs, heart, liver, stomach, and kidneys.
today we will watch the book about internal body parts. Page 1. The brain we use to think, learn, create, and feel emotions. Page 2. The heart is a pump. The heart sends blood with oxygen throughout our bodies. Page 3. The lungs allow us to breathe oxygen into our bodies. Page 4. The liver cleans our blood. It produces an important digestive liquid. Page 5. The kidneys filter the blood and take out all the waste in the blood. Page 6. The stomach is like a mixer, churning and mashing together food. Now is the last page. That's it! It was very good book. Hi! Today we'll make a robot pen holder with internal body parts. To make a robot pen holder with internal body parts, we need hole puncher, cardboard, 4 straws, black pen, glue, 2 eyes, scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents not around. Color clay and 2 boxes. Let's do it!
Sponsored by IQ English.